My name is Anthony, and I am interning in Conrad Abu Dhabi Etihad Towers in the department of front office. Once I had to set up a last-minute surprise for a guest's birthday in just 15 minutes. It felt like a mini Mission Impossible, but the effort made the guest reaction worth it. In hospitality, we focused on personalized experience. That's why even the smallest gestures we make stay in our guests' hearts. Front office gives the first and last impression of a hotel, so my role is to always be ready to create the best experience for every guest. This internship has given me a deeper understanding of what it means to offer personalized experiences, because at the end of the day, the purpose of a hotel is to be a second home for the guest.